Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marsons with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Looks like easily this will be our most comfortable day of the week. We'll start out a little chilly here, but eventually wind up with what will be just an enjoyable afternoon. Plenty of sun out there, light breeze, and temperatures returning to the 60s. I think everybody will feel fairly good about where the weather is today, but we do have some changes moving in pretty quickly tonight as well as tomorrow. So for your Wednesday, we're actually settling down to near freezing in most locations here, so it is going to be a pretty cold morning for us, so take the jacket with you again. We have a south breeze returning today, so that's going to start to increase the dew point temperature, or some of that humidity or some of that air off the Gulf of Mexico, which is why we may see a little bit of fog this morning, and we do have visibility down to about 1 mile in Natchitoches at the moment. Overall weather picture for us, we'll enjoy mostly clear skies throughout the day. High is moving east, so behind that you can see the wind arrows going around the high, and we'll have a returning south breeze as that high moves off to the east today, and that's what will start that nice warming trend for us. Wind should stay pretty light, likely 10 miles per hour or below, and again, that south wind will push us back into the 60s today. And typical high this time of the year is about 59, so we are running back above average today. I've actually gone a little bit higher than what some of the forecast models are suggesting today at 66 in Shreveport and 64 in Texarkana, but with the sun and the south breeze, should be a comfortable afternoon for us. We'll cruise through today pretty quickly on your Robinson Futurecast. You will see the clouds start to pick up tonight, and the winds will start to increase as well. So lows tonight will likely be in the upper 40s and low 50s, not going to be as cold. The south breeze will be the story for much of the day tomorrow, so we should have some wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. It will be a warm day as well, most of us settling to near 70 degrees, and you can see our next cold front making its way in during the kind of late afternoon, early evening. We could see some rain by the afternoon across the northern Arklatex, and this will just be a narrow band of rain showers and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm or two, but we don't expect to see any severe weather, and it's looking like that front will clear the area by Friday, and now it's looking like Friday will turn into a pretty nice day, as we should have some sunshine back and highs in the 60s and upper 50s on Friday. Mentioned with the cloud cover and the wind, it won't be as cold tonight, and there's a look at that as we will settle into the 40s and low 50s, and a look at the rainfall potential here, which is not going to be much with this next front, likely a quarter inch or less in most areas. So if you remember the front from this last weekend, pretty light rain with that. Pretty light rain with this one as well. Won't cause us any issues, but the wind will be the story tomorrow, which is why I've gone with some of the moderate impacts as far as your 7-day forecast. And again, Friday, Saturday now setting up to look to be pretty nice days with highs around 60 or so. The colder air looks like it will be arriving on Sunday, not as cold as originally thought, and the surge of colder air may be on the way through the middle of next week. So we do have some rain in the forecast Tuesday, and it is possible much of the country will find itself in a cold snap perhaps next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so prepare for what will probably be a pretty cold week next week, and that chance of rain after today, again, just a slight chance of rain late Saturday, but more likely we'll see the rain return early next week.